Marcellus with the marketing team. I'm here with Mike Dromones with Asurion, and we're here to check out the in-store ProTech experience. So follow us. We actually launched this late last year in order to improve the customer experience, and we know that's the #1 focus for 2020. So Ahmed, tell me about how you do that in the back.
Yeah, so our customers been loving the program and the fact that we can repair their phones within 2 hours, and they think it's very convenient and it surprises and delights them.
Yeah, so Mike, this is great news for stores with in-store ProTechs. What about those locations that don't have them in store?
Not to worry. Asurion has a solution for that. We own U-Break iFix now. So if there's a U-Break iFix location near you, you can go there. Also, we can also have a technician come to you. Wherever the customer is, we will make sure that they're taken care of.